Agriculture aviation is the current phenomenal advancement in the field of crop protection. Drones or unmanned aerial vehicles or UAVs are the consequences of investment in upgradation of innovative technology with an amalgamation of biological engineering and crop protection aspects. Government of India through Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare and Indian Council of Agricultural Research has been offering support to drone startups, drone pilots and training unemployed youth and women towards financial and social empowerment. At ICAR National Institute for Research on Commercial Agriculture, Rajahmundry, we are standardizing the procedure for utilizing drones in spraying pesticides and water-soluble fertilizers and nutrients on tobacco, chilies, turmeric, ashwagandha and castor. For generating the standard operating procedures for drones in these crops, ICAR-NIRCA has been conducting field experiments to evaluate the spray characteristics of the spray deposited by drones and to conduct bioefficacy experiments against various insect pests and diseases. The spray characteristics of the spray produced by testing various nozzles at different speeds and heights of operation were observed at the lower, middle and upper canopy of the crop. The spray deposited on the water-sensitive papers will be analyzed through a software application to examine the spray coverage and volume median diameter of the spray droplets, which are crucial to arrive at the optimal operating conditions to produce proper spray patterns and to ensure effective pest control. UAVs produce fine droplets of spray where phytotoxicity and spray drift are anticipated. The application of pesticide at doses prescribed by the Central Insecticides Board and Registration Committee for high volume and low volume sprayers will be evaluated with a series of lower and higher doses. With concerted efforts on each and every aspect of operating drones according to crop phenology, weather conditions and severity of the pest problem, ICAR-NIRCA would come out with a reference manual for standard operating procedures for drones in crops such as tobacco, chilies, turmeric, ashwagandha and castor.